Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sharma, UEM University of Engineering and Technology. Professor Pradeep Kumar Sharma, the fact is that there is an increase in the demand for tech jobs. There's an increase in the demand for AI-related jobs, data, as Sir mentioned here as well. How do we keep up with this demand? We need to upskill faster to be able to fulfill this demand.
Yeah, first of all, let me congratulate NDTV and thank you very much for inviting us for this Yuva program. The name Yuva. I think I am audible to all. Is it audible? So, I think all the Yuvas, when they are starting their journey as Yuva, they entered into the higher education part in university. We are taking care of the university part, and you can understand that when we enter into the university, we have some expectations. Expectations from our parents, expectations from our side, expectations from society. So as a university, we have some responsibilities. So our responsibility is to provide every sort of support to the student, which will make every student employable, which will make every student, every candidate, every Yuva responsible for their lives to be answerable to the society and they can have a happy life. So as per your question, what you are saying, that we are basically focusing on three main aspects of engineering, management and physiotherapy, which are totally professional career options for the students. We are providing undergraduates, postgraduate and PhD programs, and you can understand our parent group, this is University of Engineering and Management Jaipur, but our parent group based in West Bengal is the oldest private institution in West Bengal. We started in 1989, and from 96 we are into AICTE approved courses. Right. So just give me 2 minutes, because sure. See, you can understand according to the requirement of the present time, artificial intelligence, as Sir has said, is the need of the hour to understand, and we have to make the classrooms ready with AR, VR solutions, classrooms ready with every sort of support for students having understood the artificial intelligence needs, machine learning courses, as well as all sort of, you can say, project-based learning, outcome-based learning we have to provide to students so that they are job ready. You can understand, most of the Yuvas over here will understand this, that when they select any job career, job they got in any company, within few months or within few years, they realize that they actually wanted this kind of job. Or the company realized that this candidate is not suitable for us. So after 1 year, either company give notice or candidate give notice for a change. This happens due to the non-compatibility of the skill set.
So our classrooms have to make our students industry ready and perhaps keep up with the... Yes. Professor Pradeep Kumar Sharma, what do you think? I mean, AI can be both destructive and constructive. Yeah. In classrooms and in research areas.
Yeah, let me emphasize on this. See, basically what I used to understand, that AI will be there right now, okay? There might be some, you can say, oppositions and some...
but whether you like it or not, it's here to stay.
Yes, yes, it will stay. I think all of you will believe, and I think I will ask you a very simple question. Can you answer the biggest company of the world who has made cameras, photographic cameras? What's the name of that company? Kodak. The biggest, largest. Where is Kodak now? Are you using Kodak right now? Are you taking the videography with large, big cameras like this? No. You are taking the videos with your phone. So technology will remain. Technology we have to accept. We ourselves have to susceptible about this particular environment. Let me emphasize on this, basically, what we discuss with our students, that university is a place of opportunities. University is a place of possibilities. Opportunities in the sense like we cannot bound our young minds that, okay, you please just go only this direction, in that direction.
Sure.
The young minds in a university can have the option, the possibility or opportunity to go in sports, like we are having a sports ground, so every kind of sports they can have. A young mind can go for, suppose, any robot preparation. We have our innovation lab, research lab, in which the students are creating the projects like, you can say, drones,
Yes.
their vertical vehicles, all sorts of, you can say, innovative projects they are creating. That's why, let me inform that our university been in the second place of Institution Innovation Council since last many years due to all these projects, innovative projects. But let me confirm that artificial intelligence will have to stay over there. We have to be susceptible about it, and we have to accept it.
And one has to adapt,
Or
one will become obsolete. That's an interesting point to make. Mr. Srivastav, as a traditionalist, how do you see this argument that unless you evolve with technology, unless you adapt to artificial intelligence, you will become obsolete?
See, we are not having that kind of opinion that AI or writing will take each other's place. The issue is that as far as writing, human writing is concerned, and AI is concerned, AI can produce contents, can give you, generate newer ideas, but when a person has to write, then he has to think out of the box, unconventional, unpredictable situations which AI cannot provide. AI works on a set pattern, and the data derived from the previous experience or whatever they have
from the human mind.
Yes. So it has got its limitation as far as art, culture and music is concerned. So in my opinion, I'm not saying that this will remain or not. The problem is that until unless there has to be an inherent human touch.
Sure.
And without that inherent human touch,
it has to be a collaborative. It has to be a collaborative
Yes.
relationship. I'm afraid I'm completely running out of time, but Professor Sharma, you had a point to make.
I'll
Yes.
just take 2 minutes. All of you will agree because all the young minds are there. See, there is a very, you can say, a natural problem. And natural problem is like when you are sitting in a class, you might be feeling, means there is a class of suppose 60 students, and you will agree, sir, that if there are a class of 60 students, all 60 students are not at a same level. When the teacher is teaching, might be possible 10 best students are understanding, but 20 students are not getting anything out of that. But when they are in the class and not understanding the topic, their facial expression changes. If we can install one AI-enabled, which can capture the facial expression of a student, AI-enabled CCTV, and can get the artificial intelligence-based software to have that how many students have that particular facial expressions which resembles to not understanding.
So that's a very interesting
so
point.
Teacher can have the immediate
feedback. We need
feedback.
to model our classrooms.
Yes.
We need to model our schools, universities around AI. I think it's a fascinating conversation to have. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for being with us. And of course, AI, as we discussed through the course of the discussion, is here to stay, and we need to adapt or perhaps get dated, as it were. Thanks very much, gentlemen, for being with us. Thank you.